Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change settings for your network on your AirPort by Apple using AirPort utility app on iPhone. So in order to do that, let's open our app. From here select the device that we want to change the network settings for, and now you will need to enter the password. If you didn't already, there should be the line set that says show password. Simply click on it, enter the password, and you'll be ready to go. Now select edit, go for the network, and from here you can change any settings of your network like Wi-Fi mode, and if you press on it you'll be able to create a wireless network, extend the wireless network, or simply disable it. You can also change the security certificate, so you can do it like this, any of the settings. I'm sticking with VPA2 personal. You can change the network name, so let's just press on that and delete the name and call it AirPort. So the name is changed. We can change the password as well. I have my password set on from 1 to 8, so simply let's add 9. We need to write new password again. So it's from 1 to 9, and the same thing right here, like this. You can enable or disable hidden network if you don't want people to see it. So after all this is done, simply press done and then done again. Remember to press it twice, otherwise the settings that we've just changed won't be visible, and then press update. So right now the device will update. It might take a long time while this app is open, so let's close our app, let's terminate it, and from here open our app again. You can see that we can't get the device connected right now, so we'll need to scroll down, go for a Wi-Fi network. Now find the name that we just changed, so it's AirPort. Click on it. You'll need to enter the password if it's protected by any certificate. For me it's 1 to 9 as we just changed it. Here's it's connected. We can open our app again and we can see our device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.